It seems like I've been struggling with depression most of my life. My name is Jeannie Sakaguchi, and I have been suffering from depression for 35 years. And as I get older, it seems to be getting worse.
Growing up with her, we never knew how her mood would be or how she would react to daily situations or if she would even come out of her room. My mom, through most of my life, has always struggled with depression. So we had to take on a lot of the responsibilities of the house and stuff to make up for her not coming out.
I have been through a lot of medication. They would increase my medicine or try a different medicine.
I've watched her through the withdrawals when they've tried to take her off meds to put her on new ones. And it's just not, it wasn't fun to watch or to go through. It's very hurtful and a hard thing to deal with.
The cost of the medicine was very high, especially when you have 3 or 4 that you have to get. So yes, it was costing me a lot of money. As I increased the medicine, even though it was increased, the depression still seemed to get worse. The episodes seemed to increase more often. They happened more often and happened for a longer amount of time. Instead of maybe a couple of days, it would last maybe a week or 2, you know, and then I would feel better for a week, and then it would happen again. So it was very up and down for me. I was about ready to lose my job, and I was very afraid. And then you brought up the TMS therapy for me, and it was like, a miracle from heaven for me. It was a chance for me to have a life that I wouldn't have to worry about what was going to happen the next day. So I was very excited about it when you told me about it. The first day I was a little nervous because I didn't know what to expect, and it hurt a little bit, not much though, but it went away after a while. You get used to it, and the staff here was so helpful and so friendly that it made me very comfortable to be here. I give them a 2 thumbs up. I love the staff here. They let me watch the Ellen DeGeneres show, and so that made time go really quickly. You know, there was times when it was like, oh, therapy's over with already, and so it was a good time. I actually enjoyed doing the therapy and looking forward to it every day. I had a session every day for 5 days a week for 40 minutes, and that lasted for 6 weeks, which the time went by really fast. The treatment was definitely worth it because my life has changed so much. I'm happy, and I don't have to worry about what's going to happen the next day or the next week. Am I going to be depressed again? I was a little afraid at the beginning, because I didn't know, and I was a little anxious, is this mood going to last? But, as the weeks have gone by, I've just, everything has been really good for me. It's been about 3 months, I think. I would have expected in the 3 months to have probably 3 bouts of depression, because it was like once a month I would go through a depression. I have not had any depression at all since the treatment. I see a good life, a fun life, a healthier life, and weight loss. I'm really looking forward to losing more weight, and I have joined a gym. I am working out once or twice a week. My husband and I have been going for walks, doing things with my grandchildren. It used to be that I would plan things with them, and then at the last minute, because of depression, I would have to cancel. And I don't have to worry about that now. I plan things with them, and we have a good time. And work is good. I don't have to worry about not coming to work. I actually enjoy going to work now, and my coworkers enjoy being around me too. My outlook on life has changed dramatically. Things are looking very good at this point.
Did you know that 1 in 5 Americans suffers from mental illness? Conditions like depression are very common. There's nothing to be ashamed of. The tragedy is that half of people with mental illness do not obtain treatment. Here at Dogon, we offer treatment for adults, couples, children. We offer psychiatric evaluation and therapy. We also now offer TMS Therapy, an innovative treatment for depression without the use of drugs. Do not be ashamed. Please, let my staff and myself help you.